Question 7. So we've got to put a large mirror on a wall in the dining room. So here's the wall, so we're sort of looking at it from the floor in front. There's the gas fire, and down here would be the two side walls. The mirror is this shape in centimeters, and it's got to be equal distance from each side of the walls. So first things first, let's decide how many squares we're going to be using up. So our mirror is 200 centimeters by 100 centimeters, and we're told down here that each square on the grid is 25 by 25 centimeters on the wall. So if we divide each of these by 25, we can see that our mirror has to be 8 squares by 4 squares. So that's a must. That must be the size of your mirror. And then you've just got to place it somewhere on the wall so that the gap on each side is the same. Now I've gone and chosen to make mine landscape. You could have it this way round, so you could have it this being the top and this being the bottom, but either way you do have to make sure that the gap on either side is the same. Equally, I could have had it a bit higher or a bit lower, but the key bit is it's got to be 8 squares by 4 squares, and this gap over here has got to be the same as this gap here. So for mine, that's 4 squares and 4 squares.